Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to add collage in Canva. So let's get started. At first let's get into Canva app. Now click on this plus sign over here. You can click on photo collage written over here, so let's tap on this. Now here you can choose any of the collage over here, or you can go to elements and scroll down. Here we can see various grids. You can use any of them and add various pictures as per your need. You can also edit them and click on more for more options for editing. And finally, when you are done, you can click on download section and finally click on download. So this is it. This is how you can create collage in Canva. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.